Hi to all. Now we can execute the program for 2 8-bit subtraction. 2 8-bit subtraction. We are given the hexa code. After entering the data, now you have to reset. Click the reset and then go to the exam memory. Give the input values. From where we have to give the input value while writing the program, we have initiated that we have to give the two 8-bit values in address locations of 8051 and 8052. So by typing 8051, by clicking next, then we can give the input value 17 and then second value is 19. Then click execute, go, then it will come like this. So type the starting address location, then execute. After executing, it will display like E. Okay, then click reset, click exam memory, go to the where we have given the input data, and then another next location we will get the output. We have given the 8051 as an input value, first value 17, and then next value as 19, and then by subtracting these two we will get 02. So 19 minus 17 is equals to 02. So likewise we will try another one also. Reset exam memory 8051 as an giving an input value of 14 and then next giving 17. Then click execute, go 8000, execute, reset exam memory 8051 is the first given input value, that is 14, and second given input value is 17. By 17 minus 14 we will get the output 3. So likewise we can execute the program.